Have you ever wondered what it would be like if learning was more than just textbooks and tests? Welcome to the new Academy of Energy and Consciousness, an innovative approach to learning that transcends traditional boundaries. This transformative space allows every being to express, explore, manifest, and actualize their unique talents, wisdom, and abilities. Imagine a place where creativity knows no bounds, flourishing in diverse areas such as music, art, and new technologies. We're not just talking about traditional forms of art, but also newer cutting-edge forms, like those based on DNA and soul print. In this academy, we acknowledge that learning is not a one-size-fits-all process. We respect and nurture the intrinsic value of each individual, recognizing that each person's inherent knowledge is a vital resource to be shared and celebrated. In the new Academy of Energy and Consciousness, every human being deserves a society where resources, both internal and external, are shared equitably. Imagine a place where the inner knowledge of each individual is brought to the forefront, benefiting not only the individual, but the community as a whole. This is the vision of the new Academy of Energy and Consciousness. We strive to foster an environment that nurtures the very essence of who we are, recognizing and respecting the intrinsic value within every individual. Our goal is to create a sanctuary, a transformative space where everyone, from children to parents, from artists to technologists, can express, explore, and actualize their unique talents, wisdom, and abilities. We believe that each being's inherent knowledge is a vital resource that should be shared and celebrated. It's this belief that forms the core of our Academy's mission. In this space, creativity knows no bounds. It flourishes in diverse areas such as music, art, and new technologies based on DNA and soul print. Nestled in nature, the Academy serves as a constant reminder of our innate creative impulses, with elements of pristine water, air, fire, and energy playing an essential role in the re-equilibration process. We aim to foster a society where resources, both internal and external, are shared equitably. A society where every individual has access to what they need to thrive, to express their unique essence, and to contribute to the collective wisdom of the community. The new Academy of Energy and Consciousness is more than an educational endeavor. It's a commitment to creating a world where love is the only identity and hierarchies are non-existent. What if we told you that we could create a society that values each individual's contribution and fosters a sense of unity and shared purpose? Well, that's precisely the vision that the new Academy of Energy and Consciousness holds dear. This transformative space is not just an educational institution. It is the starting point of a chain, a network, a movement towards the birth of a novel society. A society that respects and acknowledges the intrinsic value of every individual. A society that celebrates the unique talents, wisdom, and abilities that each one of us possesses. Imagine a world where hierarchies are non-existent, where love is the only identity. That's what the new Academy of Energy and Consciousness aims to instill in its community. It's a place that nurtures the being that we are, respecting and honoring the inherent knowledge within us all. Nestled amidst the beauty of nature, The Academy serves as a constant reminder of our innate creative impulses. The elements of pristine water, air, fire, and energy are an integral part of this re-equilibration process. They are here to remind us of our roots, of our connection to the earth and to each other. This Academy is more than an endeavor. It's a commitment, a pledge to creating a world of consciousness and energetic harmony. A world where every human being has access to what they need to thrive. We invite you to be part of this journey toward a future that embraces more consciousness and energetic harmony. Your support with money, time, creativity, and sharing will contribute to the establishment of this Academy. Picture this: your contributions are not just donations or time spent. They are seeds sown into the fertile ground of a new consciousness. They are the life-giving water that nourishes the roots of a transformative space. Your creativity brings color and vitality, encouraging unique talents, wisdom, and abilities to bloom. And by sharing our vision, you help spread the branches of this Academy, reaching out to touch more lives and hearts. Every contribution, no matter how small or large, is a vital part of this new, realized civilization.
Blessed as we are,
it's a chain of unity and shared purpose, a net cast wide to catch the dreams of a future where love is the only identity and hierarchies are non-existent.
blessed as we are,
With heartfelt gratitude and unity, we invite you to be part of this journey toward a future that embraces more consciousness and energetic harmony.
remember why you came here. Remember, this life is sacred. Remember why you came here. Remember, this life is sacred.